Alright guys, Nifty Thrifty Girl here with a vintage Singer 1591. This is, of course, one of the classic black straight stitch Singers. The 91 specifies that it has the potted motor. It's directly driven by the motor. There's no belt. Your bobbin winders here on the wheel. Decals are super nice. The finish is very, very nice as well. There's no cracking, crazing, peeling, crackling, all that good stuff. It's still very nice. There's just a couple very, very minor scratches. It has a couple black side pieces on it. It's kind of a mix and match. It has a black side needle clamp, black side presser, foot pressure screw, and black side thread guide here for bobbin winding. But the face and like the levers are not black side. So it's kind of a mix and match. It's one of those machines that used both. Of course, being a Singer 1591, it uses class 15 bobbins, 15 by 1 needles, up to a size 21. That's where the Singer 15 is a little different than most machines because it will accept up to a size 21 needle. Most machines only accept up to a size 18. Serviced and ready to go, of course. Built-in light here on the back with its own switch. The machine will work without the light being on. Comes with a nice box, clean, full of accessories. It's got a tucker, a binder, a ruffler, an adjustable hammer, screwdrivers, a hammer foot, bobbins, lots of good stuff in there. Tucker's something that doesn't often come in the box, so that was kind of cool. A PDF copy of the instruction manual included by email after purchase. And this is a true reverse feed machine. I wanted to point that out. The reverse is not just for tacking, it is for reverse sewing. You can drop the feed dogs on this machine by a bolt underneath. Nice stitch. Fold this a couple times. This is like 10 layers. Cotton. Right under the toe of the press foot. Anyway, you get the idea. Some leather. This is 3 layers. Nice stitch through that as well. This is a very nice machine if you want to display it as more as a collectible than an actual used machine. The finish is nice enough for that. Of course, you can always use it. I always say cars are made to be driven, not trailered or garaged. So, same deal with sewing machines, are made to be used. Nice on leather. That is your Singer model 1591.